Alright, what I got here is a RoMech electric rope cutter. I thought I'd play around with some paracord, do some paracord bracelets, and some other stuff that I mess around with as a hobby. Now, this thing is not sharp at all. It does come with, see if I can show you this. It does come with the tools on the side. The red handle is what tightens up the screws to put the rope cutter in. And then it comes with, a brush to clean it as it gets dirty over time. This thing's pretty small. It has screws in the bottom where you can mount it to your tool bench or whatever you want to do. And so to get started, we turn it on. It's got a little hum to it. Usually takes about a good minute for it to warm up. And we'll start to see this particular blade here. And that's very dull. We'll see that blade starting to get red over time. Here's what we're going to see with that. I found it really easy to use. It's starting to get red now. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This will burn you. Okay, so don't be touching this at all. It will burn you. But what's really nice about it is we take a piece of paracord and we run it across this. Okay, and as we cut it, it cuts this like butter. So not only does it cut it, but it also seals it. So I don't have to take a lighter to it. Nothing. See how quick that goes through? So that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing it does is, I got some climbing rope here. This stuff is 10 millimeter and it's really thick. And let me see if I can move this back for you guys. And watch how quick this cuts. You want to do this in a well-ventilated area. And there you go. Literally that piece is cut off. You can rub it on the edges if you want. To get it better. And it seals it up pretty good. Now, again, paracord's like nothing. It's like nothing. Boom. Look at that. Literally cuts it like nothing. So it's cut, it's sealed, and now you're ready to go. So it does speed up working with this paracord a lot faster is what it does. And I'll link in the bottom if you want to pick it up. They do come in different price ranges. And when you get into different price ranges, it does get, the blade here on top gets wider. And you do get into more wattage. But if you're just looking to do paracord or, climbing rope or whatever, this will do just fine. This is, you don't really need anything more powerful than this. I'll link at the bottom. You can go check it out. And I think this is pretty cool. It's going to work pretty good when I get working with my paracord bracelets. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.